Hello kids, how are you all? We already learned about colors and alphabets. But first of all, we will revise some colors name here. So kids, let's start it. Now you tell me, which color is this? Let's see. Tell me, it's a brown color. Brown color. And next is green color. Very good. It's a green color. Next one is, which one? This one. Let's see. Wow, sky blue color. Sky blue color. Violet color. Say violet color. And this one is black color. Black color. And last one is red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, we are going to write here A to Z. These are capital letters. So let's start it. Now it's a brown color. A. Brown color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Repeat after me, everyone. A for apple. Green color. B. Say green color. B. B for balloon. B for balloon. Next letter is C. Sky blue color. C. Sky blue color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Next letter is D. Violet color. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. Well done. Black color. E. Black color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Very good. Brown color. F. Brown color. F. F for frog. F for frog. Green color. G. Green color. G. G for giraffe. Very good. G for giraffe. Next letter is H. Sky blue color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Sky violet color. I. Violet color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Very good. Now So black color J. Black color J. J for jug. J for jug. Very good. Next letter is K. Brown color K. K for kite. K for kite. Green color L. Green color L. L for lion. L for lion. Sky blue color M. Sky blue color M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Next letter is N. Violet color N. N for nest. N for nest. Very good. Next letter is O. Brown color O. O for orange. O for orange. Very good. Black color P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Very good. Next letter is Q. Green color Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Very nice. Next letter is R. Sky blue color R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Very good. Next letter is S. Violet color S. S for sun. S for sun. Next letter is T. We are using here green color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Brown color U. Brown color U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Green color V. Green color V. V for van. V for van. Sky blue color W. Sky blue color W. W is for watch. W is for watch. Next is violet color X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Good. Next letter is Y. Black color Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And last letter is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Well done, kids.